How to link your phone number in Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, simply tap on this two-line icon. Here on the bottom, tap on Settings. So now we in this Settings interface. So this is the place where you can find different options and customize it. Here on the top, tap on Dollar account. So this is the place where you can link your phone number. Here on the top, there's a section of phone number. Simply tap on it. Now here, you must add the region and your valid phone number. So after doing that, a verification code will pop up and you can easily verify and link your Cici account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.